Or else it's some flowers. These are so pretty. Page I was on. Let's go walking. Today is the first day of pottery class. I'm really excited. This is something I've always been wanting to do.
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Thank you. Get this too. There's the kiln. I just came back from pottery. I should have asked because she actually wanted me to film, but I had a lot of fun. We should go here. I really love my teacher. If you live in Metro Atlanta, definitely take a class with her. I felt so welcome, like 100%. Yay! Good morning. Now this is my favorite eyeliner pencil. I already bought a backup of it because I love this one. I'm gonna go to brunch today. I'm having deja vu right now for some reason. It's a good type of deja vu. Look at all the petals. Hello. We're gonna do our weekly grocery shopping. I only need to get a few things. Especially since summer's good for tomato. So lucky. Today's outfit. And I don't usually wear pants, but I thought these were really cute. It's actually almost time to get ready for bed, but this is what I've been doing all day. I'm basically going through grammar. It's like I can understand. The thing is, I don't know like much about the grammar, so I'm getting more deep into it. Yay! I made a separate list of adjectives. I'm just gonna like do all the... It's actually really small lines. I don't know if I want this one. Matalino means smart. Mabait, mabait. You are kind-hearted. Ikaw ay mabait. My favorite way to study language is by a TV show or a vlogger, which I've been having trouble finding vlogs, TV show or movie that's in the language I want to learn. I'll just put on subtitles and I'll learn like that. And then if there's any words, like any grammar I don't know, I just like search it up. When I do find any Tagalog vlogs, there's usually no subtitles, so I'm a bit in a pickle. It's getting dark. Okay, it's getting dark. I'm getting ready for bed. So let's go for this one. Look how pretty. I love this skirt. I'm gonna iron it though. I decided to get lunch and get some chestnuts at each mart. Let's go. Foam roller stretch. Cider sent these to me, so thank you to them. They honestly have like so many different fashion styles to choose from. That was time to add some stuff to my wardrobe. I love dresses, so I had to get a dress, or I had to get a lot of dresses. Pretty. I've been really attracted to like the elegant style. This one has more of like a satiny finish to it. I haven't been able to wear this out yet. I think it's definitely more for like evening, like going out in the evenings. The thing is, I don't really go out in the evenings. Clothes I was wearing in this video are the clothes from there, so I'll leave some links down for you. I'll try these on. I'm kind of bending down so you see. Just one of the dresses. I think this style is so pretty. It's definitely one of my more favorite ones. This one I'll definitely wear soon. This is the last dress. Oh my goodness. I feel like it's definitely more like for early spring. Maybe I could still wear it, hopefully, but it kind of like overflows like this. Today, we are gonna play Minecraft. I haven't played Minecraft in so long. They're always updating. I don't even know what's happening anymore. Okay, let's make a new world. Berries world. I'm gonna do survival mode. I feel like I never do survival mode, so this will be interesting. Okay, let's create a new world. I think I started playing this when I was like 12. It's been 10 years since I've been playing this. Ready? Let's watch it. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I forgot how to use this. Found a cave! Let me get some... I know the basics. Let me get some wood first. It's a rabbit. Oh, can I punch it? I can punch them for sticks. That's great. Oopsie. I feel like a noob. I don't... There's a lot of good like resources here, so this is perfect. I rarely play games, but once or twice a year I'll be into gaming. Even last year I don't think I gamed at all. What should I do now? There's a bee. I want to follow it. A little hi from Nose. Hi, Nose. Just make it after the brownies, the bagels. Salt. Pokeball. My room has been getting very cluttery. Let's clean it. We'll also get the laundry too.
Now connected to Alex Smile.
The song is stuck in my head. Go to the gym and get a run in. Got my AirPods and my water. For the past few days, I have been like so tired. I think I push myself too much because there'll be times when I'm just like so exhausted. I've been doing this huge self-care routine like every day, and honestly I think it's been too much because I've just been so tired of doing everything. Today I finally feel like taking a breath, so we're gonna go run. Of course, music is a must whenever I'm running, or else I don't know how I'm gonna do it. It's been really rainy lately. Before we go, I'm gonna show you. Remember when we planted the strawberries? I'm gonna show you what they look like now. Can you spot them? Okay, so remember when there's also a basil plant? I think someone thought it was a weed because it was gone the next day. I'm pretty sure it's being eaten by all like the animals. That's okay. We have tomatoes. Someone's eat tomatoes. So cute. We have so many. I guess a mini garden tour. Oh, we have chocolate mint. And of course we have green onion. And there's aloe vera. I want to make like a face mask. Ooh, it's my favorite part over here. We have basil, so I can make pizza. I really want to make margarita pizza now. Garden tour finished. Hello. I hope you enjoyed that video. My mornings are usually just filled with my morning walks, which those I usually walk for around an hour. Lately I've been doing like this LED mask. I don't know. I'll let you know after a month maybe how it turns out. I'll see you next week. Have a good day. Bye. Never been this possessive, I don't know.